Welcome back, everybody, to Stop on Yellow RVing. Alex with Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut. Today we're looking at the Precept 34G. This is the 2024 model. Kind of new for 2024. They redesigned these windows here, so you've got the square windows. They also switched up the shades. It's going to be a gas Class A for Jayco motorized. You got your entertainment center behind here with your TV. Overall length on this one's going to be 36 feet 6 inches to it. You got a ton of pass-through storage down here as well. So checking out the storage. So you got a storage there. And making our way down. Pass-through storage right there. Another storage here. This here is going to be your compartment. So you've got your two 6-volt AGM batteries and your onboard propane tank. Quick connect for propane right there if you want to set up an outside grill. Got some more storage over here. So there's going to be another pass-through. Your solar controller right there. Coming around the back, got this nice fiberglass back cap to it. Backup camera, roof ladder to get up there. Check your seals. It is a fully walkable one-piece fiberglass roof. Here you've got your hitch receiver off the back. 5,000 pound towing capacity on this. And then two slide outs on it. Both have slide toppers over them. Then this here is going to be your this will be your water system here. And the other side of your pass-through storage with your 50 amp cord. Hot water heater here. Gas tank fill. And then that's going to be your offshoot for your sewer and your tank releases. Nice and easy to access to them. And this one will be your water system. So you've got the Nautilus P3 there with the outside shower on it, little paper towel holder, and then onboard water filter. And these will be storage here. And this will be your generator right in this one. So you got the Onan 5500 watt gasoline generator. It'll run right off of your gasoline tank. 80 gallons on board. 120-inch panoramic windshield on it. One-piece fiberglass front cap as well. Let's take a look inside. So, starting in the cab area, you've got your two seats, recline, then power forward and back. Get a nice view of that 120-inch panoramic windshield. It's on the Ford F53 chassis. Your leveling system's right over there. Then you got this nice accent light going across the dash. Little slide-out tray. Then windows on both sides, both windows open. And then power shade on the front, then pull downs on the side. Looking up top, you've got your drop-down bunk there. Holds up to 750 pounds. Then your power recliners. Seat belts in all seating locations. And you've got 4 seat belts around the dinette. It's a legless dinette as well, so there's no leg to bump on getting in and out of it. It looks like we've got this one on sale for $159,895. Then you've got your electric fireplace there. Some storage up over here. Then you've got your pull-out sofa there, cabinetry up top, then your TV's on the televator. Hit that button. That's going to come up. Pretty cool design, so if you want the window space, you've got it. Bring the TV down, you can pop it back up. Looking in the kitchen here, solid surface countertops. It's going to be a one-piece farmhouse sink. Then you got a little window there. It's these new shades I was mentioning earlier. So you've got screens, or shades, or neither. Got your overhead cabinetry. Microwave. A little bit of storage up there. Oven here. Nice little drawer down below to store all your pots and pans. More storage this way. Right here. It's going to be more drawers. Little spot to keep the sponges. You got your full-size 21 cubic foot residential refrigerator right here. And it's got the latch on it to keep it in place while you're in transit. Big freezer, the French doors on the fridge. Spin it around this way. You've got your bathroom. So large walk-in shower here. The matte black finish on the faucets, the glass doors. Good sized counter space on your vanity. And then porcelain toilet down below. Spot to keep your towels. And then we'll check out the bedroom. First we'll stop and take a look at the Firefly system. This is kind of the brains to your camper. This is where you start your generator, work your lights, your HVAC system, slides, awning, all that good stuff. And you got these little thermistors down here, pretty much temperature sensors. Then check out this bedroom. King size bed. You've got charging on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinetry for storage. You've got his and her wardrobes over here. So you've got hanging space. Large drawers below. Also TV in here with some hidden storage behind it. And there's your ladder for your overhead bunk, and then more hanging space. Emergency exit window off the back. And then probably one of the coolest features, you're going to have your combo washer dryer right in this wardrobe space. Looking below, you got some more storage. Yeah, that's a pretty basic overview of the Precept 34G. It's the 2024 model. Some more pans around in here. Lots of space with these two opposing slides in your living area. Once again, it's been Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Feel free to like, subscribe, and watch another video. Thanks.